Hi guys, and welcome back to another Monkey Drum video. We're doing Monkey Drum again. This is like my 11th attempt recording this. But yeah, get started. This is gonna be pretty long because my headset is on 86. So this is gonna be like, I'm gonna play it this until it's on 5. So yeah. Why are we in here? Nothing is even gonna get us. No. We gotta shoot them out like run. No, it's even on playground. I know like Sonic right now. I go so fast in NEXTBOTS, but I don't know why. Why do I go so fast? Santa gotta make it to town. Oh my God. Santa gotta make it to town. Like a merry-go-round. I'm gonna have a super I sound like You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout because Santa's coming down. You better watch. Guys, how fast this takes? You better watch out. You better watch out. You better watch out. Better watch out. No. Santa gotta make it. Oh no. Hello, no. Like hello. I didn't need you. My voice is on the G. 22 seconds. That's like a Ryan from Ryan's perspective. Ryan's point of view. Yo. You wanna go? Come and get me. Oh shoot. Who wants to race me? Can't wait to the wall. Who wants to race me? Someone race me. All the way down there. All the way down. Who wants to race me? What? Bye, Pink. What is a poison poop? Like this one. It's annoying on the playground. No. Bad on the playground. Bad. Bad on the playground. Bad. Who wants to race me? Turn him to it. I can't move it. Can you do it? I'm gonna start doing the drywall glitch. What? I can do the drywall glitch with any window? Guys, I'm stuck. Hey, you Santa hat, race me. Guys, I'm stuck. Yoshi, me and my man are gonna go on a trip today. Race me. Me and him. Come on, bro. Let's go. We're going. You and Yoshi are going on a trip? We're going on a trip in my favorite room. We're going on a trip. We're going on a trip on our favorite rocket ship. You want a hug, boys? You want a hug? Come and give me one. We're going on a trip on our favorite rocket ship. She just scared me. We're going on a trip. Anybody want to race me up here? Guys, Yoshi's clicking. Yoshi's Twinkle. Milky poop. I talk about poop a lot. I don't know why. Oh wait, why did you go for me? No, guys, should I jump? I hit one of them. Come on, race speed. Someone race. I always come back. I always come back. Ah, no!
You're way off the ramp to the box. Come here, show. Run, guys.
I don't like this. I don't like this. No, no. Okay. I'm going on playground over here. Now watch me do a sick trick. I literally just hit a clip. Scared? I'll show you. Scared? Scared? I'll show you. Scared. Scared? I'll show you. Scared.
Hey, you did that. Race me.
No.
Race me.
No, Mom doesn't. Ah, guys. He's totally scared. You're like, scared? I'll show you scared. And then just did that. You're like, scared? I'll show you scared. Scared? I'll show you scared. Scared? I'll show you scared. What? No, no, no. No, no, no. Oh no. He really got me scared. He'll like, scared? I'll show you scared. I am literally about to hit the clip. Scared? I'll show you scared.
I'm the fastest.
What is this?
Oh, that's
Sounds scary.
Everybody.
This guy is showing me scared. Mom was right there. Guys, one of the monitors is gonna show me scared.
Oh my god.
Okay, time to get in.
I'm faster than you. I'm faster than you.
Scared? Scared? I'll show you scared.
Look how fast I am.
What is this?
What is that?
I don't like this. I don't like this. Stop staring at me.
I only have 1 point.
I have 13,526 grandma bucks. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
It's got a level 2 connection. I bought a gun. So everyone, if you stand register, claim the money.
Scared?
Because it gives you points to buy
Scared?
everything.
I'll show you scared.
There's even more money.
No! No! Bro, everyone follow me! Everyone follow me if you want to see scared. Everyone follow the pink line.
Come on, everyone. We're in the robbing spree. Come on, rob everything.
Scared? I'll show you scared. I got out of bounds. The only one who's playground can't get me. This is actually scary.
Are you back?
Don't even back. I'm bad, okay.
Hey, you. Are you there? Hey, guys. Did you look like
Oh, no.
you
No, no.
can register?
Read the register. Poopy. Poopy poop. Poopy poopy poopy
Anyone
poop.
run out the store? Registers.
I have two types in my controllers.
If you see any register like this, claim it and you'll get points by acting like this.
Yo, I got cat. Scared. Also, you scared. Scared. Also, you scared. Scared. Also, you scared. What is this? They didn't really show me scared. I'll go.
Guys, you're better. That's not how that's how you fall. Guys, come on, guys, let's go. We want the register. Who wants the race? Let's register. Green. You know if you get points by clicking the register? Green. Let's race. I want all the money in the register. Come on, guys, let's roll. All right. 3, 2, 1.
Gas! Edward is a poop.
Me, I wasn't even going back to. No, you're not allowed in it.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more.
Hey guys, there's a vent. There's a vent. There's a monster in there. Among Us.
$10. Okay, so today I'm gonna be.
Guys, let's go up. These are the register. You get points to buy items. Let's check the other way. Guys. The other way. I need 1,000 registered.
I got up.
I
can buy a lot of I can buy a lot of wave guns in my grandma book.
Here. I gotta get out. Oh shoot! Gotta go. Oh shit! I got
He told me scared. He told me scared. Nope. Let me out. Bro, stop blocking it. Stop blocking it, you poop. Stop blocking it. You poop. I don't have the pooper. I got past the little poop that did not let me get past the stairs. Johnny little.
How do you get items?
I'm doing
Guys, who wants to race? Come over here. Who wants to race with me? Come over here. Me.
I want to race.
3, 2, 1.
Where did the race even start? Tram sweet. Tram sweet.
Attack with the gun.
Again. I didn't get to do the race.
Let's just call it. Go. Guys, how do you know? I'm the policeman. Attack with the police.
Guys, can I get past me? Bugs poop.
Hey, you, Black. How many thingies do you have so you can buy like the gun, the wave gun?
Yo, this is a movie.
I know. How do you know about what
Wait.
Click the X. Click the X in your
Wait.
Wait, what? The button. Click the button X. And your
I did a trick shot.
Guys, okay.
I did an accidental trick shot.
Okay. How do you know how much points you have?
No,
I just told you, bro. Look. At the very top, like at the final one, like there's like a new thing. It's called the color points. I have a lot. What? Bro, my camping detected. Click X on your controller. The button X in your controller. After that. Yeah.
Guy, do you get penalized for camping?
Bro, I'm literally sitting down. Open. Okay, now look, and this right hand, this is so good that it's poison at the very top. Wait, how do you reach that? Next, next to it, that's how many points you got. After that, there's like a little button that says
Guys, I'm stuck.
You'll be able to buy any items.
I'm gonna do an Amika runway.
Yo, bro.
Amika! I'm coming to watch Pomley Lore!
Yo, green. Okay, green. I'm sitting down there. Guys, I almost have to
Ow! I got hit.
Come here. My ray gun. Oh my god. Stay back. I'm gonna juke him. The lights.
Edward, come on here.
Put your flashlight at him. Put your flashlight. I got it.
Fine.
I didn't die. Look, I got you. Bow. I died with the gun. Come over here if you want to race me. Come over here if you want to race me. Come over here if you want to race me.
Don't tell me scared again! Don't tell me scared again! I'm not even gonna... Guys, he's gonna show me scared.
I need 68.
Should I jump? Do you guys see that over there? Hold on.
You don't just race. Who wants to race?
60. Okay, not bad again.
Okay,
Guys, I don't know like this.
come on, let's
Should I
race.
be positive about this, guys? I'm running! No! I'm running! Go! I'm running!
Yes. I have 1,000. I won. Okay.
Guys, I'm gonna go to the vent.
Green, not that.
No.
What's the speed boost? I'm not getting a speed boost. Oh.
I lost 40%.
No, when your speed
No, you lost
boost
it.
is on.
Okay,
Green, come back. Let's race again. Hey. You cheated. You don't know what's That's come back. Oh, I'm gonna have to play consequences.
You're so scary. You're so phenomenal. I just want you to be your signal.
Ready?
I got so scared that he started singing.
Hey! 3, 2, 1. Where are they? Where are the monsters? Hey,
I can't go so fast.
go again. Do not go. Do not go there. Do not go.
I'm gonna take steroids.
Where's the monster?
Ah!
How do you know when you're How do you know when you're speeding?
Guys, I'm gonna give myself some steroids.
Hey guys, I'm about to land on my face.
Hey, Black, how do you
I got my steroids.
How do you know when you're, how do you know when your speed boost is on? Come on, car.
I don't know, man. It's whenever you're fast.
But
I get my 1300 speed
no
boost.
matter what.
The saturation go on. Guys, I just took my daily steroid now. I feel like I'm ready to rumble. I go so fast right now. Like I can run like Peter Griffin. I can run like Peter Griffin right now. Peter Griffin. Peter, what did I say? I can run like Peter Griffin now. That was so random.
I'm a guy, guys. I'm immortal. I'm immortal.
This song is so fucking long.
Hey, look, I understood the hang on the monsters.
No, I do not know what that was. But
How did you get that? No mercy. No mercy. 1 second.
59%. Okay, that's kind of bad. But yeah, this video is gonna be long.
We have to go down here.
Ah!
Oh, no. We got to leave the server. Go down here with me.
Captain
Punch.
Punch.
Go down here with me. Come here. Oh,
You ain't my mother. You ain't my father.
I'm gonna jump over this
You
guy.
ain't my father. You ain't my father. You ain't my father. You ain't my father. You ain't my father. Oh, you ain't my father. You ain't my father. You ain't my father. Guys, I'm gonna head out. No. It's always that guy. It's always that next bot.
Go here.
You ain't my father. You ain't my father. You ain't my father.
Where are you?
Yeah, I'm doing the drywall glitch. Guys, I'm doing the drywall glitch.
Hey, how do you...
Okay, I'm gonna do the drywall glitch.
How do you get that roll?
So it works as a door?
How do you get a pen? How do you get a pen?
Oh, you have to buy in like the actual game, not
How do you
in
know how
Xbox.
much bananas you have?
Yeah.
Follow me.
You have to go to the shop and you have to go out in the Xbox and then go in the shop and then see how much bananas you have. And the pen costs 1,000.
It says
And it's in the functional.
906. Okay, you can buy it. Just go here and then press buy. Yes, I got it. And then follow me. Let's go. And then follow me. I want J-Man, Curly. I want J-Man.
J-Man.
Hey guys, y'all know what the horror mode? Wait, I'm going to buy
Santa. There's 2 Santas. There's 2 Santas. That's weird.
Wait, I'm going to buy one thing. Hey guys, can I
What?
look at this good? Like the great
What the heck? What is this? No. No, I don't like that.
Blue. You're
No, I do not like that.
Blue.
That was scary.
You're not gonna get cosmetic. No, I don't need it though. I want Jamie and I already have.
I just ate a crayon. I am literally about to hit a clip.
How do I look?
I am literally about to hit a clip. I don't like Toad.
Where are you?
I like Toad in a fire alarm. Is that Bob the... What was that? I think that's Bob the Builder. No! I got out. I just saw. I might have just saw Bob the Builder. Bob the Builder's playing. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Hey. Drywall, get in the drywall. I thought he got him on the drywall, but then he bit back. No, this is my dog's final.
Guys, where are you? Guys, where are you? Oh my God, Rick.
I'm sleeping. Nope. No!
Does anyone know how you kill guys? No? If I'm not talking, where you are, you're gay. Just kill me.
Go! I just did it. I'm literally about to hit a clip. Gop! I hit the clip.
So
I hit a double clip too.
Told me that we're all
No.
Let me go.
3, 2, 1.
Guys, where are you? If I'm not talking, you're gay.
Okay.
You're gay.
Take the golden poison ivy. La 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 la. Take the golden with pooping and pooping. I'm literally about to hit a clip. I have a canker and it hurts so bad. Like I can barely talk. Okay, we don't have that much longer to video. I'm starting. Just kidding. I'll play I'm 20%. So yeah.
Live, man.
So 30% left, and then it goes away. It's the annoying on pipe now. Like, as soon as we walked in, the annoying on pipe.
Oh my God.
That was our egg stinks.
I like this. Even though it's creepy, but it's fun.
Hey, what is that thing? What does that thing do? It's creepy.
Buzz.
Hey,
Guys, buzz. I'm a new poopy. I can ride the monster like it's I have enough grandma books to buy a lot of these. I don't like it. No, dang it.
Hey, God,
Holy, bully. I love this item, but it only lasts like 20 seconds. This is so bad, so I gotta use it quick. Oh no! You ran over all my knickknacks that is full of cats. Yeah, I think I'll end the video here, so more soon. There will be more in a couple hours. I'm just tired of playing this. So yeah, yeah. Well, I think we'll just end it here. I guess we'll just use this for the thumbnail. we'll just use this for the thumbnail. I'll screenshot it and then put numbers by it. Yeah, I guess we'll just use all this stuff for the thumbnail. So yeah, there'll be more later. Trust me. So yeah, bye guys.